You will love the features of this 2023 Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, keyless start, fog lamps, satellite radio, premium sound system, heated mirrors, 8-cylinder engine, 4-cylinder engine. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.